Hey guys, this is David from Sherlock and Key Locksmith. Working here on the Toyota Sequoia reflash. It goes from 2003 to 2007. It's a D-chip. It's not a Toy 43. We're going to take this plastic apart. I don't know if I'm coming closer. We're going to take this part off. You see there's one screw over here and one screw over here. You can pause in the meanwhile until... Okay guys, so 2 screws like I said earlier. One is out. Second one is out. This plastic will be coming out. You can show this as well. This thing is always going to bother us over here. The part that covers only the ignition around. There's a screw over here. Many times, not always. That screw. We'll take that one out and I'll continue from there. Okay guys, we're going to take this out. Once the screw's out, that plastic, you don't really even have to take out that screw, but I usually try to take out that screw. It helps me. This plastic comes out. If you do have the key, and we do have the key, but I'm not doing it now, you can move this to neutral. It's going to give you easier way to take it out. There's 2 more screws, 4 more screws. And it's not the first time someone worked on this car because they were supposed to have 4 screws. We're missing 1 and 2, but we're going to take out 1 and 2. Once we're done taking that out, we'll continue the video. Go. Okay guys, whoever can see, you have the immobilizer computer is right here in the back. I don't know if you can see in the video. Try to show it. Here, this is the immobilizer box. We'll continue getting there.
All right, start now.
Once we took out all this, there's the screws. We could take out this. We can move it aside like this, or disconnect from the back. If you don't mind showing them, 1 and 2. You can disconnect it if you want to. So you press over here, and this, and click, click. You're not afraid. You don't have to be afraid because they're 2 different sizes, and the cluster's out. Once the cluster's out, we could get to the computer. The computer over here is a little annoying sometimes to take out. You can see I'm twisting it. Now usually what I do, I take a flat screwdriver and move it. What's catching is here, this metal. It's catching over here. I'll take a flat screwdriver. So we're gonna try to peel this. Or this come here from the side as well. I like using regular flat screwdrivers, and you can see what I did. I gave it tension and I took it out. Now we have the same thing on the other side, but this time I'm just going to pull it with my hand and take it out. Once I take it out, show them this clip over here. I just press on the clip over here and we're out. I'll continue from here. Once this is out, I'm going to take here the flat screwdriver from here, flat screwdriver from here, you see, and this is out, and we're going to work on the circuit boards over here. We'll continue from here.